In this video, we will get you ready to train with your new Forerunner 70 running smartwatch. Let's get started using your watch so you can push your limits and perform at your best. Begin by turning on your Forerunner 70 by pressing and holding the light control button. Then, select your language preference. Confirm your language selection. Select the checkmark to begin pairing your watch with your compatible smartphone. Scan the QR code with your compatible smartphone's camera. For existing customers, this will open the Garmin Connect smartphone application so that you can begin pairing your watch. For new customers, this will open your smartphone's app store to download the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Open the app once installed. Then, sign in or create a new account. Agree to the end-user license agreement, then select Next. Now, verify your age. This includes your date of birth and country of residency. Select Continue. Then, confirm your age details. Now, enter your account details. The Garmin Connect app will begin searching for your Forerunner 70. Select Find Nearby Accessories. Select Connect It or Set Up on Apple devices when the app finds your smartwatch. Then, confirm the 6-digit pairing codes match. Follow the steps to finish the setup of your Forerunner 70. The app will also help you customize device settings and set up features such as Garmin Coach training plans and fully customized activity profiles. There are a few other optional setup steps you can only do on your smartwatch. This includes setting a passcode, selecting your text size, and choosing frequently used activities. The watch will also offer to guide you through some key features and basic usage for your device. Next, let's look at how to use your Forerunner 70 smartwatch. Press the light control button to wake up your display. Hold this button to open the Controls menu. Here, you can lock the watch, trigger assistance, and more. The up and down buttons help you navigate through widget glances, menus, and data screens. Hold the up menu button to open the menu. Here, you can customize the watch face, set alarms, view activity history, and access general watch settings. You can also use the touchscreen to scroll through these menus. Press the down button or swipe up to scroll through the widget glances loop. You'll see last run stats, running performance, training status, training readiness, and more. Tap a glance or press the Start/Stop button to see more detailed data. Here, you can scroll through additional pages of data. To add additional glances, scroll to the end of your glance list and select Edit. Next, select Add. Then select the glances to add to your list. From the watch face, swipe down or press the up menu button to access the Notification Center. This includes notifications from your compatible smartphone and watch. Tap a notification to view more details, or swipe left to dismiss and clear it. From the watch face, press the Start/Stop button to open the Activities and Apps list. Scroll down to see your apps. This includes workouts, Messenger, tips, and more. The back button lets you return to a previous screen. Pressing this button during a timed activity will mark a lap. When you're ready to start an activity, press the Start/Stop button. Out of the box, the Run activity is pinned at the top of the list. You can pin up to 3 activities. Select Activities to see additional activities and customize your favorites. Press the Start/Stop button to open an activity. For most activities, the touch screen will lock after several seconds of no interaction. To unlock it, tap the screen, then swipe down on the lock icon. The screen will lock again after several seconds of no interaction. Press the Up menu button or swipe from the top of the screen for quick access to connect a sensor, enable live track, and more. Press the Down button to view your workout for the day, training options, activity settings, general watch settings, and to navigate to data screens. Press the Back button to return to your activity page. For outdoor activities, wait until you have a GPS signal. Then, press the Start/Stop button to begin recording data. Press the Down button during an activity to see more data fields such as lap information or the time of day. After completing your activity, press the Start/Stop button. Here you can resume, save, or select one of the other options. When you save the activity, you'll see summary information and stats about the run and your performance. With a Forerunner 70 smartwatch, you have the perfect tool to help you push past the starting line and hit your goals. For more help, subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.